Hello guys, welcome to the world of morphology. Unlock the secrets of word structure with this interactive presentation, designed to reveal how words are formed and built. Morphology opens up the fascinating science behind the smallest meaningful parts that compose every word we use daily. Join us as we explore the building blocks of language, demystify complex concepts, and animate words visually for a clear and memorable learning experience. What is morphology? Morphology is the branch of linguistics focused on studying the structure and formation of words. Unlike viewing words as whole or indivisible units, morphology reveals the smaller meaningful parts inside words. Words consist of morphemes, which combine in systematic ways to create meaning and grammatical structure. Understanding this helps us grasp how language builds complex ideas from simple pieces. Think of a word as a puzzle made from pieces that carry meaning. Morphology teaches us to identify and analyze these pieces to appreciate the richness of language. Morphemes, the building blocks definition, the smallest meaningful units in language, called morphemes, form the foundation of word construction. Examples in the word unbreakable, morphemes include un, a prefix, break, a root, and able, a suffix. Types: morphemes can be free, standalone words, or bound, must attach to other morphemes. Free morphemes, standing alone. What are free morphemes? Free morphemes are words that can stand on their own and carry meaning independently, like cat or run. Content words: these include nouns, verbs, and adjectives that form the main content of sentences. Function words also include prepositions and articles, which serve grammatical purposes despite not having lexical meaning. Bound morphemes, always attached. Bound morphemes cannot stand alone and must attach to free morphemes to convey meaning or change grammatical functions. Example: common bound morphemes include suffixes like ing, ed, and prefixes like pre, un. Affixes: prefixes come before the root, and suffixes come after, modifying meaning or grammatical category. Types of affixes: prefixes. Prefixes are bound morphemes added before a free morpheme, changing the meaning of the base word. Common examples: un, as in unhappy, re, as in rewrite, pre, as in prefix. Suffixes. Suffixes are bound morphemes added after a free morpheme, often altering tense or grammatical category. Examples: ing, in running, ed, in walked. Derivational vs. inflectional morphemes. Derivational function create new words. Examples: happy, unhappy. Affect changes meaning and sometimes category. Inflectional function modify grammatical function. Examples: walk, walked. Affect indicates tense, number, possession. English has only 8 inflectional morphemes, mostly suffixes, which do not change word class but adjust grammar. This is word formation processes. Morphology, more than just words, enhances vocabulary. Understanding word structure improves your ability to decode and learn new words effortlessly. Improves comprehension, helps readers and language learners grasp subtle nuances and grammatical relationships. Explore or question. Like, share or subscribe.